What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you a couple of setups that normally work very nicely and today didn't. Check it out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this day here today. It's a 1-for-2 day today for me. First trade of the day, red trade. Second trade of the day was really good setup, and I can't wait to go over it with you here on the chart itself because I entered the position, took a couple take profits. We had a pullback off of a resistance zone, and I added back to the position, took some more take profits, and then got stopped out the rest. So the trade in itself made me some money. It's a green trade. It just wasn't enough, obviously, to bring me back to green on the day because the trade never fully worked out, which is a shame. But small red day here for me, and we'll go over both of those trades. Now, after we do this here in the actual Discord, I do this recap live and a live lesson. We're going to go ahead and do a giveaway. Yesterday, we gave away a tablet and we gave away some merch. Today, we're going to be doing a trader award, rewarding one of our traders that has been doing a great job this year. We're going to be doing another giveaway, and we're going to be doing some more merch giveaway. All right, so if you want to partake in these giveaways that's happening all week long for Christmas, come on over to the daytraderchatroom.com or check out the links in the description section below. When you become a DTC Lite or a DTC Pro member, you have access to our stream over in the Discord, and you can participate in these giveaways. Otherwise, if you're just looking to hang out in the Discord, there's a free link down there for you as well. Before I forget, 25% off coupon code for trade ideas down there as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. All right, guys, so let's jump into this here on the charts. If you're watching this on YouTube, then make sure to smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It helps tremendously. Here was my first trade of the day today, RELI with a nice push, all right, on this nice little red to green move. We pushed up, got halted in front of the high day. We opened up, pushed higher off of that, and then we pulled back. When we pulled back, okay, I went ahead and got long right in here on this pullback because I thought we were going to hold $7. We started to hold it decently, and $7 lined up with the 23.6 Fibonacci level, the the VWAP, okay, and it was also a daily level. It was a daily level right here. We'll zoom in right there, and you can see some tops right here in that $7 zone. So with a daily level lining up with intraday indicators like this, it was a must-go setup for me. So I went ahead and jumped in there, and I got long. Let me get my alerts. 735, stop $7 area. And then we got that action, which was kind of whack, and I stopped out and sold out of it at 693. So not much else to say about this thing. The only thing that was concerning to me, I mean, honestly, there wasn't a whole lot concerning other than BFRI was pulling back at the same time. We had decreasing volume on the beginning of the pullback. I guess it's just that the volume just never came back in. Nobody cared. Like, no one cared. And that was all right. It happens. So right after that, like literally right after that, and I seldom do this, jump right into a trade right after a loser like that. But right after that, I switched over to BFRI, and BFRI was pulling in. Now, what I want you to start to notice on BFRI is we had made this push. You know what? Let's erase some of this stuff here and reevaluate this chart. We had made this push, made a new high, right off the bell, big volume, really nice big volume. Whoa, right before I forget, guys, right now until December 31st, your DTC plan, your DTC Pro plan comes with free scanners, a full year subscription. So take advantage of that, link in the description and comment section. And getting halts on the way up. Some team members in the Discord here caught that, and congratulations to you guys. Nice takes. I was waiting for a pullback. We put in our high here at 15 and we started to pull back. The only thing concerning to me at the time was this volume on this candle right here. However, this held VWAP, 9 EMA, and this previous halt price all lined up there around this 1150 zone. And when I have so many indicators lining up there, I'm going to go after the trade. Remember, I always tell you, you sit around and you wait for your A and your B setups, right? That's what I do. And then if I see them, I have to take them. It's a rule. As much as a rule is for me that I have to stop out when I have to stop out, I have to take the setups when they present themselves because it's a probabilities game. And if I don't get my setups, right, and if I don't take those setups when I do get them, then what am I doing? I'm messing with my probabilities, right? I'm messing with the probabilities. If my setup is going to work 7 or 6 out of every 10 times it shows up, and I miss one here, one there, and then I miss another 2 on purpose, what have I done? I've greatly decreased the probability of the next time I take it working. So when I see it, I take it. The only thing for me that did not make this an A setup and it was a B was because of this volume on this drop. However, we started to get our confirmation, and right in here, I got long BFRI 1225, stop $11 area. Then I quickly corrected that to the 1150 zone because the reality was that my stop was underneath this zone. So the 1150, not that it tapped 1150 and I'm out of it, had to break down underneath it and then I'd get out of it. So get long right in there, and I just start to look for this 90 MA crossover. I want to see volume start to increase, and we do start to get that volume increasing. You can see it right here, clear as day. We start to get that volume increasing. Let me go ahead and delete this. We had the big volume on the way up. We had smaller volume overall throughout the consolidation comparable to that of the volume on the way up. Then as we start to bounce, we want to see the increasing volume showing that the bounce has potential strength and could have potential momentum to the upside, right? I take some profits off at 1290. I take more off at 1351, then more off at 1413. Okay, and that was all throughout here just because I wasn't sure whether or not we were going to break this resistance zone here and here. I wasn't sure we were going to break that. So that's my long right here. My first take profit happened inside of this candle. Then I took more profits at 1351 through in this area right in here at 1351. And then we crept up higher here. I took a little bit more profit off just over 14. And then we got this pullback. And right here, I added back. I added back here at 1323. And then we quickly popped. And I took some profit off at 1369. Okay, I took some profit off at 1369 right in here. And then we kind of gave up. And I got stopped out of the remainder right in here at 1231. So that's it. Had this trade worked out and we would have gotten the extension, then today would not be a small red day. It'd be a very nice green day. But that was a very, very nice trade. And it was all about volume analysis based off of these technical indicators showing support. Now, overall, what I thought today would be very choppy, a lot of pop and drops because of all the FOMO that we're seeing in the small caps right now based off of yesterday's SOPA move. There have been some decent moves today, but nothing like yesterday at all. And support zones are not holding as clean. Resistance zones are holding pretty strong. We're getting a lot of straight up moves and then no second leg on up. We're not getting that secondary move right now. So that's okay. Something else that we noticed today was Tesla took a nasty dump. Honestly, I'd rather would have been focused on Tesla here for put options for the gap fill. I know myself, and I probably would have been flat in here with takes along the way throughout that. And that would have been a much better trade and it'd be a really nice green day today. I know that I would have probably missed out on this, and that's okay because this right here, that would have been more than enough profit on the day for me. So I would have been happy with that. Honestly, I did not think that Tesla was going to dump like it did today at all. But here we are, Tesla in the 880s. Today's low, so we'll see what happens moving into tomorrow. All right, guys, so that's it for me today. If you enjoyed this, if you found value, make sure to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, come on over to the Discord, all right, and I'll catch you on the next one.